Hello everybody, welcome back to Chikorita Lover, and today's the first episode of my Google site. Here is a little website I made, and we will be using it to add stuff, and learn how to add stuff. Unfortunately, my screen recorder just deleted the video while I was previewing it, so didn't want to do it all over again. But hope you get the basics. In fact, I can probably hold on a second. I need to see, does this take me to where I need to be at the moment? Okay, good. So yes, on the Google Sites page, you need to sign into Google. And on Google Apps, you want to select Sites right here. Then I'll take you here. You want to click Create. You can choose a template, name your site, location. There are themes to choose from. My Google Sites help is using the theme Launch Default. Then there's more options. This website is for stuff. Then you can check it's only mature for adults. It has mature content. And then click I'm not a robot. Then you just want to hit create. So I don't need this website, so I'm not going to click create. It'll take a while, so you'll have to be patient. Anyways, back here, the icons we have up here is edit page. We'll click E, or click the pencil icon to edit your website, that page. There are lots of image options. If you've added an image, I can show you how to. Align, size, wrapping, and you can remove it. Here's the page name. Can edit. I'm not actually going to call it that. Then you can add text, of course. Okay. Oh yeah, I was going to show you how to add an image. Just forgot. You'll have to go to insert. Lots of other stuff to insert. I may go over them in the future. Some of the stuff I will. The common ones are just easy ones. Image, add an image. Duh. Link, add a link to text. Table of contents, have all the headings, display all headings. I can do that. Subpage listing, all the subpages. It's nice. A horizontal line. I can just do that. Add a horizontal line. Nice for separating stuff. There's also a +1 button. And you can edit it a bit. It's to make a post about the website, and I actually have that. And tell people what you think about it. I'm gonna make it. Yep. Won't be blind. Why? Huh. Anyways, you can have that if you want. I'm gonna get rid of that. It looks different in the editor than it does on the actual website. Just let you know. You can also add that to the sidebar over here. You can edit the site layout. Settings. Here's a navigation. You can have multiple. You can name it. Display the title if you want. Automatically organize my navigation. That means on page settings, for each page you can choose which navigation appears in. Level of pages to show. Just gonna do one. Include a link to sitemap. It's got all the sites in a little map. Hence the name. Recent site activity, that's self-explanatory. Can add stuff. Just edit icon. Display on the left or the right. And width. +1 button, we just went over that. There's another navigation. Add text. Recent site activity. Your recent activity. A countdown to a specific date. Might do that. Say Christmas. Or something else, like on yourface.com I have 2 countdowns. One for Let's Go Pikachu and Eevee, one for Smash Ultimate. That's date. December 25th. 129 days until Christmas. Quite a while. Let's see what else there is. Site owners, the owners of the site. And then the page's authors. You can add the header. This is the header. You can add a logo. I tried doing that, but my logo was too big. I could still upload it, but it just took up like a lot of space. Then add a logo, height, and alignment. Horizontal navigation. I'll add you can add pages to show here and URLs. You can add stuff to sitemap and recent site activity, style. There's boxes, which is that. I'll show you tabs. There's tabs, similar. Then links. Just like text. You can also add a custom footer. Edit this footer. Here's the custom footer. Add text there, whatever you need to. Yes. Sidebar, it's this. Very important. That you're probably not going to get anywhere as easily. Unless you had a sitemap up here. So you want to make sure you have a sidebar. Really important. Header, good idea. There's a search bar. Can't customize it as much. You can search whatever you want, like stuff. If you can't find it, it'll show this. And by the way, you cannot edit the page not found page. Try to go to stuff. Sorry, but we are unable to locate the page requested. You can't edit it. There's no edit icon. And you try clicking E, which is the shortcut, does nothing. Now there's create a page. You create your page. Edit the page web address. Choose a template. Select a location. I'm just gonna put it at the top level, just like home. Or choose a different location from using the sitemap. Create when you've selected your stuff. Editor. Then you can click U to pull this up. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you next episode. Please subscribe and like, and I'll try to fit in a Pokemon Emerald playthrough. And we'll see you later. Goodbye.